Launching a new brand position in normal market conditions is a challenge.
How about during a global pandemic?
From the 26th of March 2020, the soundtrack to our lives was forever altered. So we produced a new one.
Messaging is 67% more memorable when delivered via audio.
So we commissioned two of Joburg's best loved radio DJs, even if we say so ourselves, to host a 3-week pop-up digital radio station via our interactive content hub, Liberty Live, using Crowdcast technology. Here's what you may have missed out on yesterday on the show.
Unfortunately, we still don't have anyone that knows what the sound of our liberty is, which means every touchpoint was designed as a testament to the organization's commitment to being human.
And in it with you, the new slogan.
It's an actual story of a guy that felt that he needed to change the world.
Instead of broadcasting our evolution, we invited the entire business to participate in the creation of our new Sound of Our Liberty.
We need your help. We want you to get involved because we are creating a Liberty Anthem.
We crowdsourced staff videos and voice notes.
South Africa's Got Talent, guys. Liberty's Got Talent.
Liberty's Got Talent.
Liberty's Got Talent.
A little TikTok video, that one.
Okay, and our final entry. And we even had a guest DJ appearance by the CE himself.
DJ DC, DJ Manrizi in the house. Yeah.
We galvanized our remote workforce, lived our new brand promise, and dropped a goosebump-inducing single to articulate leadership principles in the most human way possible.